basatu ekyomukusombi bwe bafudde jjo ng'Ab8 Ogwosatu. Olwaleero amawulire ge tufunye nti 7 balala battiddwa era mu kifo ekitundu kyekimu. 7 naye nga si Bannayuganda bonna. N'ebidduka ne byonoonebwa, abantu abali mu groups ezirwanyisa gavumenti ya ggwanga liri. Tukola kyonna ekisooka okulaba nti emirambo giddizibwa. Bannayuganda nga bwe gambye bw'oba toweereddwa magezi ku kusala tosala.
The forces tried to rescue the body. We organized with the authorities of Lanya to go and pick the body. But the ambulance that we sent, as it was approaching the scene, the driver saw and gained another fire burning on that side. He decided to come back. So we are making efforts both from Yei to the scene and from Juba to the scene.
It's hard for us to pass through Ilegu because if you are not tested, if you don't have corona certificate, you are not allowed to pass. That's why we are trying to look for other routes of reaching South Sudan. So if they could lower us the prices of maybe examining other people, maybe like give us free examination to all the drivers who are here, so that we see ourselves, if we are free corona, they allow us to enter.
We don't have problem. We are just looking for survival. So this survival, they have to help us let's move safely, because a lot of disturbance here, South Sudan side. In Uganda, we have foreign numbers, SSD, but these revenues really disturb us a lot. That's why these guys use this Soti Road, Yei Road.